Hello everyone, I am Niharika, currently working as a ServiceNow developer at Palni India Private Limited. In today's video, I will explain ServiceNow Incident Management. We will understand what an incident is, its key characters, roles involved, incident prioritization, and the benefits of incident management. Let's get started. An incident is an unplanned interruption to an IT service. This means something unexpected happens that stops or affects the normal functioning of an IT service. The characters of an incident are unplanned. The incident happens unexpectedly without any prior warning. Interrupts normal services. It stops users from using service normally. Impacts service quality. The service may become slow and limited. For example, if the email server is not working, users cannot access their emails. This situation is called an incident. And the next one is incident management. Incident management is a process responsible for managing the entire life cycle of an incident. The main goal of incident management is to restore IT services as quickly as possible. This means when an issue occurs, the support team works to fix the problem or provide a temporary solution so that users can continue their work without long delays. It also helps to minimize the impact on business operations and ensures that users can continue their work without any major disruption. And the next one is roles in incident management. There are different roles involved in incident management. End user, the person who reports the issue, service desk, the team that logs and manages incidents in the system, incident manager, responsible for managing major or critical incidents, support teams, the technical teams who investigate and resolve the issue. Each role works together to resolve incidents efficiently. And the next one is incident prioritization. In incident management, priority is determined based on two factors: impact and urgency. Priority in an incident is used to decide how quickly the issue should be resolved. Impact means how many users or services are affected. Urgency means how quickly the issue must be resolved. For example, if an issue has high impact and high urgency, it will be assigned to critical priority. And the next one is benefits of incident management. Incident management helps organizations to resolve IT issues quickly and restore services faster. It improves service availability and increases user satisfaction by reducing the downtime. It also helps teams to track incidents properly and minimizes the impact on business operations using tools like ServiceNow. That's all about ServiceNow incident management. I hope this video helped you understand the basic concept of incident management. In the next video, we will discuss the incident life cycle in detail. So let's meet again in next video. Thank